Imagine looking up and seeing the sky ripple like water. That's what happened when the sun sneezed. People around the world gasped as the ripples spread. Birds flew in erratic patterns, cars stopped in the middle of traffic, and the ocean waves froze mid crash. Scientists scrambled to explain the phenomenon but found no answers. Suddenly, a mysterious figure appeared on every screen, claiming to have triggered the event. "I am here to test humanity," the figure announced. "You have 24 hours to solve my riddle or face the consequences." Panic ensued, but amid the chaos, a group of children discovered clues hidden in nature. They deciphered the riddle just in time, and the sky returned to normal. The figure vanished, leaving the world united and more vigilant than ever.